getting monetized. I have been waiting to make this video, and now here I am. Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. I've been monetized here on YouTube. I was officially monetized, I believe I hit my 1,000 subscribers on Christmas Day. I was monetized on Monday, December 28th, 2020. I only had 4 days to try to reach that threshold. For those of you who don't know, there is a threshold. To get your YouTube paycheck, you have to reach at least $100 in ad revenue before they will actually send you the money. They're not going to be sending you these little tiny 1-cent amounts. So in those 4 days, I actually made $57.33. Obviously that was not going to get paid out to me, but that's pretty good for 4 days. I thought that was pretty cool. You know, a little excited. Pat myself on the back there. In January, I made $130.70. So add that up. In my first month and 4 days of being monetized on YouTube, I made $188.30. To officially get monetization status, I believe it was 1 year and 3 months. I started my YouTube channel on October 7th of 2019. I have been posting videos every week, at least one a week since then. I have been hustling, to say the least. I would like to thank my friends on Instagram. You know who you are, who are sharing, who are watching, who are telling everyone to go subscribe and watch my videos. You guys are amazing, and I would not have gotten to this point without you watching these videos. So thank you. So I can officially say that YouTube is one of my streams of income. That's crazy. Originally, I thought that I was going to end up using YouTube revenue to pay off my debt, but I actually became debt-free on the 1st of this year. Lots of good happening, like getting monetized and being debt-free all within the same week. It was a lot. So then like the very next week, the universe was like, you're up here? We need to bring you down here. I know it's not a lot of money, but I am really excited. My top ranking videos would be the Budget Mom versus the Jordan Page Budget Planner. That video has gotten me $133.40. The next highest ranking video is the How to Donate Plasma, which is $17.69. My original Lux Wallet review, where I compared the wallet and the planner, that one has $14.90. So we finished off 2020 with a bang. Monetized, debt-free, walking into this year. I will also be making a video on how I paid off my debt without a job, because you know, that 2020 life. And I know that it's 2021, but there's still a little bit of that 2020 energy. 2020 is still kind of trying to, you know, and we're trying to let her go. For my friends who have been asking how they can help me make more money on YouTube, it's as simple as watching my videos, liking and commenting, sharing them on your social media platforms. If you know someone who would appreciate one of my videos, send it directly to them, and then maybe they'll watch it. And that's really how it works. You don't have to pay me anything. All you have to do is watch my videos. This is far from a full-time income, but now I know that I can get there, and I have the opportunity because of you. So thank you. That's it for this video, and until next time, stay hydrated, sis. Hey girl, ow!